Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that every job, every decision, your future is controlled by. This isn't science fiction anymore. AI is already transforming the world faster than most people realize. But here's the question that could shape humanity forever. Who is truly more powerful, human intelligence or artificial intelligence?
Some experts believe AI will become humanity's greatest achievement. Others warn it could become our greatest challenge. Every single day, AI becomes faster, smarter, and more capable than ever before.
If AI can think, create, and even imitate humans, what truly makes us unique? Tonight, we're putting humans and AI into the ultimate battle across intelligence, creativity, speed, emotion, and survival.
Some battles will surprise you. Others may completely change the way you think about the future.
The first battle is pure speed. Humans can think fast, but AI processes information at a scale we've never seen before. A human might solve one difficult problem in minutes. Advanced AI can analyze millions of possibilities in the same amount of time.
AI never gets tired, distracted, or mentally exhausted. It works at maximum speed, every second.
Tasks that once took experts days can now be completed by AI in just moments. In raw processing speed, AI clearly takes the lead.
But speed is only the beginning. Now comes memory.
Humans remember through experience. AI can instantly search and organize enormous amounts of stored knowledge.
One relies on lived experience. The other relies on nearly unlimited digital storage.
Information isn't the same as wisdom. Humans connect memories with emotions, relationships, and personal experiences.
AI remembers more. Humans understand memories in ways machines still cannot.
Now comes the most important question of all. Who learns better, the machine trained on data or the human shaped by life itself? AI learns by analyzing massive amounts of data. Humans learn through experience, curiosity, and mistakes. Machines recognize patterns at incredible speed, but humans often discover solutions by thinking beyond the obvious.
When the rules suddenly change, adaptability becomes more valuable than raw processing power.
Humans improvise with limited resources. AI prefers optimized solutions based on available data. In unpredictable situations, human adaptability still has the advantage. Now both competitors face real-world problems where every second matters. AI can process enormous amounts of information almost instantly, helping experts make faster decisions. Override previous command. Secure the children first. Humans don't make decisions based only on numbers. Compassion often changes the answer. The best solutions often come when artificial intelligence and human judgment work together. The next battle may be the most controversial of all. Can a machine truly be creative, or does real creativity belong only to humans?
Creativity has always been considered humanity's greatest gift. But AI is changing that belief.
Humans create from memories, emotions, and imagination. AI creates by recognizing and combining patterns from enormous amounts of data. Today, AI can compose music, write stories, paint artwork, and even produce entire videos. Perfection isn't always what moves people. Sometimes, imperfections create the strongest emotional connection. AI is becoming an incredible creative partner, but the original vision often still begins with human imagination. Innovation isn't just about finding answers. It's about asking questions nobody has asked before. The strongest innovations happen when human imagination meets artificial intelligence.
AI can accelerate creativity, but human curiosity still sparks many of the world's biggest breakthroughs. Perhaps the future isn't AI versus humans. Perhaps it's AI
with humans. Now we enter the one battlefield that may define what it truly means to be human. Facts can be stored. Memories can be archived. But can emotions ever be programmed? Humans don't always respond with logic. We respond with empathy.
AI can provide life-saving information. Humans provide hope when information isn't enough.
Machines can recognize emotions. Humans actually feel them. Understanding emotion isn't the same as experiencing it.
Music isn't just sound. For humans, it's memory, emotion, and identity.
Some moments can't be measured by numbers. They can only be lived.
AI understands emotional patterns. Humans live emotional lives.
Technology can make life smarter, but only people give it meaning. The biggest question isn't whether AI will replace humans. It's whether humans will learn to use AI wisely. The future isn't coming someday. It's already unfolding all around us.
If used responsibly, AI could make our world safer, healthier, and more efficient than ever before.
But every powerful technology comes with risks. Without responsibility, intelligence can become dangerous.
The greatest breakthroughs may happen when humans and AI work together instead of competing.
Each possesses strengths the other cannot fully replace.
The future belongs to those who learn how to use AI, not those who fear it.
History has always been shaped by the choices people make. AI is simply the next chapter. No algorithm can replace compassion. No machine can replace purpose. Those choices will always belong to us. AI may outperform humans in many tasks, but humanity remains defined by imagination, empathy, and the ability to dream.
The future isn't about choosing between humans and AI. It's about deciding what kind of future we want to build.
Technology will continue to evolve. Our values must evolve with it.
The next decade won't be defined by artificial intelligence alone. It will be defined by the people who choose how to use it.
So what do you think? Will AI become humanity's greatest ally or its greatest challenge? Share your thoughts in the comments.